Alright, hey guys, hola a todos. Today we're in Bosque Colomos, and I'm going to give you the 5 reasons why you should move to Mexico. Vamos! Number 1, lower cost of living. From everything from going to the dentist, to doctors, to eating out, to going to the movies, having a good time. Everything costs lower in Mexico. Well, not everything. Some things cost just about the same, some things more, like gasoline. But by and far, you'll find a lower cost of living right here in Mexico. Number 1, lower cost of living. Number 2 reason why you should move to Mexico. It's easy to get a visa. If you have minimum $1,600 a month recurring income, whether it be from digital nomad, making money online, retirement, pension, it's really easy to get a visa. In my case, what I did was I visited Guadalajara. I went back to Portland within 2 weeks. Really easy process. Went to the consulate, took out my visa. Number 2 reason why you should move to Mexico, it's easy to get a visa. Number 3 reason you should move to Mexico. You can either do it alone, or you can come and live in expat communities. There are tons of expat communities all over Mexico, from Ajijic, Chapala, Puerto Vallarta, San Miguel de Allende, or you can do it alone. You can go to one of the bigger cities, other off the beaten type places, and you can really immerse yourself in the local culture. So number 3 reason why you should move to Mexico is because of the expat communities, or you can do it alone. Fourth reason you should visit Mexico. There's tons to see and do in Mexico. Mexico is the 9th country that receives the most visitors in the world each year, just between the United States and Mexico. So from anything from beaches to cultural sites, to big cities to small towns, to the pueblos mágicos, there's tons to see and do that will keep you busy for years to come, right here in Mexico. Number 4 reason why you should move to Mexico. Reason why you should move to Mexico. I had to put 2 in this space because I ran out of room, but it's the food and the people. The food is one of the best culinary experiences in the world. Why do you see so many Mexican restaurants all over the world when you go traveling? It's because the food is amazing. The Mexican food is amazing. Also the people, some of the most warmest, hospitable, friendliest, welcoming people that you'll experience anywhere in the world. So number 5 reason why you should move to Mexico, the food and the people. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit like, subscribe. I also have a new Patreon account. I'll put the link below. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye, nos vemos, adios, hasta luego, ciao. Mexico is number 9 on the world. Number 4 reason why you should move to Mexico. There's tons to do and see in Mexico. Mexico is number 9th in countries of Fourth reason why you should move to Mexico. The fourth reason why you should move to Mexico. Mexico is one of the best culinary. So it's pretty. God dang. Yes.